want guys to think, what's up, you guys? Let's go to phone. What you guys got doing? Question to me. Say, well, right now, you guys, I'm just gonna be packing my lunch again. I'm just doing that. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Just packing my lunch, just hang out and just chillaxing. So I'm just going to do what, because that's what we usually do. And it's fun. We have some more snow. Maybe, no, it's not packing snow. I was going to say maybe we can make a big snowman, you guys. Yeah, because I'm weird like that. I like making snowmans. But not today. Maybe some other time when it's good packing snow. So, let's see, what can we pack? Some more tubes. Some tubes. A little bit more tubes. I hear Snapchat, so I'm looking at it. Mozzarella sticks. I mean, not mozzarella sticks, sorry. Cheese strings. Come on, get out of the bag. It's kind of hard with one hand sometimes. And then, let's grab in the freezer. Grab some more stuff from the freezer pizza pockets. That's what I'm thinking. And tonight, I'm gonna have, I don't know what I'm gonna have for tonight. I do not know. Pizza pockets. That's what I'm gonna have, so let's unpack. So for my lunch. So I'll talk to you guys when I get done what?
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, I just got home, you guys, and I'm gonna make some stir fry. Yeah, we're gonna make some stir fry. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we make some stir fry. That stir fry looks so cool! Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are gonna be playing the Nintendo Switch after Bob's Burgers, you guys. Yes, I'm watching Bob's Burgers. Yeah, we are watching Bob's Burgers. And now we are gonna play some Switch, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done watching it. So I'm getting today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video.